Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar. Quick fix step by step. Open your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Log into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. On the left side of the screen, look for the Other Calendars section. Click on the plus sign next to Other Calendars. From the drop-down menu, select From URL. Now, open Outlook on your computer. Head to the Calendar section by selecting the calendar icon. In Outlook, find the calendar you want to sync. Right-click on the calendar name and choose Share. Select Publish this calendar. Choose appropriate settings for the calendar visibility. Click on Start Publishing. Copy the link ending in .ics. Return to your web browser with Google Calendar open. Paste the copied link into the URL field. Click on the Add Calendar button. You should see your Outlook calendar appear in the Other Calendars section. To check the synchronization, go back to the main calendar view. Any events in your Outlook calendar should now be visible in Google Calendar. Adjust the settings if you'd like to customize how the events appear. This method allows you to stay updated with your appointments seamlessly. With these steps, your Outlook calendar is now synced with Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.